Hey everyone, I'm reviewing this DREO Radiator heater. I just got it on Amazon a couple days ago, and I've been using it in my living room, and it's keeping our living room quite actually comfortable. It's 29 degrees out right now, and it's like 73 degrees in this living room. It's really comfortable. Here's the overall look of it. Okay, it does have a handle back here that's actually made of plastic, so it doesn't transfer the heat from the metal portion of the radiator. It has a digital touchscreen display and a remote control. So I'm going to power it on, and right now it's set on the eco mode, so you can set it at a desired temperature and it will heat up to that desired temperature, and then once it does, it will power down until it drops below the temperature by a few degrees, and then power back up to heat up the space. It also has a timer setting that you can set it on, and it goes up to 24 hours. And once you set it on your desired time, it'll make that audible beep that you just heard and let you know it's set at that hours. So you can just turn that timer off if you just want it on just basic heat. And let's say I want it on heat setting 1. It's on heat setting 1. It'll stay on that heat setting, whatever you put it at. Up to 3, it goes 1, 2, 3. So it'll stay on that heat setting until you turn it off. So that is the radiator heater, and it's working wonders in our living room. I definitely recommend it.
Let's take a look at how this heater works. It's an oil heater, so it holds the heat. It's not just like the type with a fan that forces hot air either on or off. It does a much better job than that, much better stable, consistent job. This is remote. It has several settings, the plus and minus. At the top left is to increase or decrease the heat. The light is if you want to turn all the display off for nighttime. There's also a sound mute button, a timer, and on this button right here is to switch modes between either temperature setting or low, medium, high forced heat. So let's try it. So that's the power button, turning it off, turning it back on again. Right now this is on heat 1, which is, I believe, is 600 watts. Heat 2, 900 watts, and heat 3, which is a powerful 1500 watts. When I hit the mode button, this one, we're going to switch to temperature. So we can set whatever temperature we want. And that's about it. It's simple, effective, and this heater works quite well. I'm going to put it in the room over the garage, which doesn't have great heat.
So I got this DREO, not sure exactly how to pronounce it. There it is, DREO little heater. I needed something for my garage because I have a gym, right? And gets cold in here. I have the insulated doors, but coming in here in the morning, it gets about 37 degrees. So I got this little bad boy here, and it is definitely putting off plenty of heat. And what I really like is the eco mode. So I don't know why they call it eco, but you can set a temp that you want it to go to, and it will warm up the room till it hits that temp and then shuts down. The other setting is if you wanted to just set it on H1 or a temp. If you go to H1, you got 1, 2, and 3. But this is my preferred. You can also set a time. So yeah, it's actually getting off a good amount of heat as well.
How come this won't stay on? There you go. You got the heat and that little light that indicates. And here I'll turn back off.